Allied Restoration, over the years, has grown very accustomed to working inside of households that employ as many as 20 or more people inside. When we arrive on site at a high-end property, one of the first things that we do, we'll walk every single damaged room with your estate manager or assigned representative. Allied Restoration understands that these individuals oftentimes know more about the home than anyone else. We see them as internal customers during the project. We make sure that we keep them safe, informed, and updated throughout the process. We recognize the impacts that this damage has on their properties and the special circumstances that some of these individuals go through, and we accommodate them from start to finish. We know that privacy is paramount to our private client groups. Every single one of our employees maintains a signed non-disclosure agreement that we're able to send to our celebrity and ultra high net worth clients to tell them that their privacy is protected. If you have an estate that has been damaged by water, fire, mold, or other forms of unpreventable damage, call us today at 888-860-1003, and one of our private client specialists will be dispatched to your home immediately to create an action plan and go over what we feel is best for your property.